Today, in the state of Maryland, during the New Year's of 2025, it's going to be a cold, freezing outside. It's going to be 30 degrees Fahrenheit sunny, with expected sunny, partly sunny skies. The high will be 33 degrees. That's what it says right there. We're going to stick with 30 degrees. It's going to be cold. With the air quality, it's going to be yellow of 53. Wind, 13 miles per hour. Humidity, 31%. Visibility, 9.9 mile. Pressure, 30.19 inch. And finally, dew point, 3 degrees. And then tomorrow it's going to be a snow showers, which is going to be 27 degrees. We're going to get to the forecast in just a moment. But first, we're going to go over to the Doppler radar, which is going to be the radar. So with the outdoors, you notice it's going to be very, very poor. And you have to wear a heavy coat. And especially you have to use gloves and of course hot hands. So I want you ladies and gentlemen to take a look of the Doppler radar. So in the meantime, there won't be any rain. However, snow is going to be coming in Maryland by tomorrow, and even by later on. If you live in Garrett County, it's going to be snowing. With the pink, it's going to be rain and snow. The direction that we're going to be heading is going to be on the northeast. The northeast approaching. So with the winter snow, it's going to be warning. With umbrella, there's no needs. So as of today, later on, it's going to be snowing, and especially tomorrow. Now, ladies and gentlemen, with the wind right here in the state of Maryland. So right here in Baltimore, with the green, as you notice, it's going to be 13 miles per hour, which is in Baltimore BWI Airport. Frederick is going to be 11 miles per hour. Hagerstown, the same numbers. With Cumberland showing 7 miles per hour. Easton, 16 miles per hour. 13 miles per hour in Salisbury. Same thing in Pocomoke City. And 15 miles per hour in Lexington Park. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you live in Baltimore, Hartford, and Cecil, so you are going to be on the green and the almost blue. We're going to start off with Rising Sun. Rising Sun is going to be 14 miles per hour. And so is Elton. And Aberdeen showing 13 miles per hour. Dublin showing the same numbers. Even Bel Air as well. Edgewood. Middle River showing 14 miles per hour. Parkville, 13 miles per hour. Reisterstown showing 14 miles per hour. And of course, Westminster, 13 miles per hour. And Aberdeen is going to be the same numbers that are going to be 13 miles per hour. And so is Perryville. Don't forget about Ocean City. With Ocean City showing 16 miles per hour. And Annapolis showing 16 miles per hour. Now the clouds. Now the clouds are going to be in the state of Maryland, even though it's going to be sunny around 31 degrees, and even more than 30 degrees. The clouds are going to be, we have a little bit of clouds because it's going to be sunny. So clouds are going to be moving on the eastbound. With the humidity, we're definitely showing different colors. We do have the orange showing more than 30%. In Garrett County, even Allegheny County, showing with 50% and even with more than 80% with the blue. The visibility we're definitely showing with more than 12.4 miles per hour. And we do have more than 30 mile, which is everywhere in the state of Maryland that we're on the gray stuff. The sea level pressure we're definitely going to be showing with more than 30 inch right here in Maryland. With the dew point, we're definitely showing the coldest. So that's gonna be 6 degrees right here in Baltimore. Frederick, 5 miles per hour. Same thing in Hagerstown. Cumberland, 10 degrees in Easton. Salisbury, 9 degrees. 11 degrees in Pocomoke City. And 8 degrees in Lexington Park. Showing in Hartford and Cecil. With Elton, 9. Charlestown, same thing. Rising Sun. Oakwood, 7 degrees in Dublin. Bel Air showing 6. Bel Air South. Riverside, 7 degrees. Aberdeen, 8 degrees. Jarrettsville, 6 degrees. Fallston, same thing. Joppa, 7 degrees. Perry Hall, 6 degrees. Towson, 5 degrees. And Essex, 8 degrees. The air quality we're definitely showing with the green stuff. So 52 is going to be the moderate with the air quality index. Frederick, 40. Hagerstown, 56. Cumberland, 47. Easton, 33. Salisbury, 30. Pocomoke City, 27. Lexington Park, 26. So we do have a winter weather going on right here in the state of Maryland. So the red is going to be winter storm warning. We'll say it again. Winter storm warning will be from Sunday, January 5th at 10 p.m. to Tuesday, January 7th at 1 a.m. So we're going to read this. So what? Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow and sleet a combination between 5 and 10 inches with amounts of up to 12 inches as possible in isolated spots if heavy banning sets in this area. Ice a combination of a trace possible with the where. Portion of DC, Central, North Central, and Northern Maryland and Northern Virginia. And then the when says here that from 10 p.m. this evening to 1 a.m. Eastern Time, Tuesday, highest snowfall rates occur late tonight into early Monday morning. Snow may mix the sleet and perhaps some freezing rain Monday morning into afternoon, especially right along the Interstate 66 corridor. A lower in precipitation will occur sometime during this afternoon. The impact condition will rapidly. We can't read all of it because we need to move on. So we know that in the state of Maryland, winter storm warning is going to be right here in Maryland, and so is Delaware. Now the severe weather. The same applies to this. This time we have a small craft advisory on the water side in Maryland. The pollen. We do have a low pollen right here in Maryland. Baltimore, we do have. Well, unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, we don't need to go over the numbers because I know you guys are allergic to pollen, so we're gonna skip the pollen for today. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you're not even gonna believe this because we know it's going to be a freezing cold outside during this time of the season, during weather. So temperatures are going to be on the 30s. However, ladies and gentlemen, we know tomorrow it's going to be snowing. And it's going to be with nearly 30 degrees. So we do have some are going to be on the nearly the 30s, more than 30s. And even with nearly the 20s. Plus more than 20s. So with more than 20s, we do have Cumberland with 26. And in Oakland with nearly 20 degrees, of course, it's going to be 18 degrees Fahrenheit. And then with the more than 30 degrees, going to be in Washington, Annapolis, and Easton. And with mostly of the nearly the 30s, we do have Perryville, Hagerstown, Westminster, Bel Air, and Elkton. And of course, notice it's going to be mostly of the sunny. So we do have everywhere of the sunny except Oakland and Cumberland. Because Oakland is going to be partly sunny and Cumberland mostly sunny. So it's a New Year forecast for 2025. And it's going to be a freezing cold forecast in Maryland. Because we know tomorrow is going to be a snow showers. Will be nearly the 30s. So as always, ladies and gentlemen, for the cold forecast in the 2025 in Maryland, here's the rest of the forecast. So Tuesday is going to be mostly sunny. Will be 32 degrees. Wednesday with partly sunny around 29 degrees. And then Thursday with mostly sunny around 27 degrees. And then Friday will be mostly sunny. This time it's going to be 29 degrees. And then the Saturday with the snow showers and even something like that will be Saturday around 30, 31. So that's snowing. It's because the only snow we're going to get is on Saturday, of course. And then Thursday and Friday and Tuesday will be mostly sunny. And of course, the only partly sunny that we're going to get is on Wednesday, and the only snow showers that we're definitely going to get is going to be for tomorrow. So I want you, ladies and gentlemen, will need to stay warm as always and turn on a heater or even a heat condition and stay home.